Hello and welcome to tutorial 6 on organizing your next corporate event. We're already a long way into the different tutorials. If you want to zoom in again on previous topics like the agenda, budget planning, or going over the goals of your event, you can easily go back into the playlists. For now, we will be focusing on develop and implement marketing and promotion. Master your marketing and people will be talking about your events for months. Today I'll show you how powerful branding and smart promotion can make your event unforgettable, also without blowing your budgets. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and we will dive into the agenda. How to design marketing materials will be the first stop, then free tools to use. Strategies for engaging attendees before, during, and after the event will be the closure of this tutorial. What is your biggest struggle when branding your event? Let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them. For now, let's go over some great examples of marketing that show how powerful visuals can be. The first up is Apple events. Apple is known for minimalistic design that reflects its brand identity. They use clean visuals, iconic logos, and simple fonts. What is the takeaway from Apple here? Strong branding and keep it simple. Next up, we have something from Coca-Cola, and that is the Share a Coke campaign. Why did it work? Well, Coca-Cola turned a simple bottle into a marketing tool that got people excited and they wanted to talk about it. So here the key takeaway is take your visual elements and maybe personalize them with the audience. Next up, as an example, we have Starbucks. Starbucks has their normal cups, but if they go into the Christmas season, they amend their cups a little bit to make them feel timely and festive. And last but not least, as an example, I want to touch upon Glossier. Glossier is built its brand almost entirely to user-generated content and social media. So the takeaway here is encourage your attendees to share their experience online. So these were some examples. I also want to give you some tips for your marketing material. The first up is colors. Use your company's official color palette to create consistency across all materials. The colors should reflect your brand identity and evoke the right emotion for your event. Avoid also using too many colors. A combination of primary and secondary colors can be enough to achieve balance without overwhelming the viewer. Also, the font, choose fonts that align with your brand identity, of course, and stick to a maximum of two. One for headers and another one for body text, I would advise. The logo, of course, your company logo is a key element on your marketing materials. Just ensure it's placed prominently, maintaining the correct proportion and spacing. Also, always use a higher resolution version of the logo to avoid that you have pixels on your banner. And last but not least, the call to action. A clear and engaging call to action is crucial. Whether it's a button for your event registration on an email or even a wall where you can add, for example, at your Instagram so they can easily tag you and they know it's an Instagram wall. Next up, where to put all those materials. I put some examples on the screen, like banners at the entrance and the exits, some booklets, some flyers, little flags that you can put on the table, pens, papers, color lights on the stage. This I mean, for example, if you have a stage, you can use the lights around the stage to put them in the color of your company, and maybe even a brand movie that's playing on repeat at the entrance. So we had the what to create, where to put them, and now is the question, where are we gonna create them? So let's dive into the marketing tools, and I will start with my favorite one, and that is Canva. Canva is a user-friendly design tool for creating marketing materials such as posters, social media posts, flyers, booklets, invitations, almost everything, and it offers free templates. This for everything that I just mentioned, and you can also filter those templates on, for example, color, and then you see that you're still in the same range. In Canva, you can also easily amend the color if you like a template, easily amend the color and fonts depending on what you want. Next up, we have Adobe. This is actually an alternative for Canva, but it's not free. And last but not least, we have MailChimp. This is a platform for email marketing campaigns, including automated messages, newsletters, and event promotions. The free plan allows you to manage up to 500 contacts and send up to 3,500 emails a month, which is ideal for an event, for example. So now you know how to create them. Drop also a comment with your event details, and I might feature your branding ideas in a future video while using Canva. And then last but not least, the when. First, of course, we start with pre-event, and here I have as example social media countdowns that you can do, email campaigns, create also branded hashtags, like for example mine is hashtag AI love events, and encourage already attendees to use them, like I will be joining event, will you be joining too, for example. Then, of course, the on-site marketing here. These are banners, presentations, branded lanyards, for example, giveaways, and incorporate also social media engagement with picture backdrops, live streams, everything that you can think of. And last but not least, we have the after the post-event marketing, email highlights, email the after movie, gather feedback through a survey, and continue the conversation on social media using the hashtag, of course, and share pictures and videos, and ask attendees to share their pictures and videos. So that was it for our marketing part. Remember, it's better to have one big impactful moment during your event than to try to make everything stand out. In our next tutorial, we'll start with on-site managing of your event. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want me to assist you with your logo and or marketing materials in the next video, be sure to drop your event ideas in the comments below. Thank you for watching, happy planning, and see you next time.